Welcome to Quizzes and Facts. How to play. There are 20 hard science quiz questions. Choose an option and wait for the timer to run out. The answer is displayed with a trivia information. Keep track of your score and let us know how you did in the comments. Lastly, enjoy yourself and the quiz. Please don't forget to like the video to support the channel and subscribe if you enjoy our quizzes. What does the term quantum refer to in physics? Answer 3. The smallest possible discrete unit. In physics, a quantum refers to the smallest indivisible amount of a physical property, like energy or matter. For example, light energy is quantized in packets called photons. Which cells produce antibodies in the immune system? Answer 1. B cells. B cells, or B lymphocytes, are specialized white blood cells that produce antibodies to target specific pathogens. Once activated, they can become plasma cells, which pump out antibodies at high rates to neutralize infections swiftly. What type of radioactive decay releases a positron? Answer 4. Beta plus decay. In beta plus decay, a proton turns into a neutron and emits a positron, a particle like an electron, but with a positive charge. This process helps unstable atoms reach a more stable state by adjusting their proton-to-neutron ratio. What term describes the change of state from gas directly to solid? Answer 2. Deposition. Deposition is the phase transition where a gas changes directly into a solid without becoming liquid first. A classic example is frost forming from water vapor on cold surfaces without passing through the liquid phase. Which law relates voltage, current, and resistance? Answer 1. Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that voltage equals current times resistance, or V equals IR. It's a fundamental principle in electronics, helping engineers and electricians design safe, efficient circuits for everything from phones to power grids. What is the main function of DNA polymerase? Answer 3. Synthesizes new DNA strands. DNA polymerase builds new DNA strands by adding nucleotides during replication. It ensures genetic information is accurately copied before a cell divides, acting like a molecular scribe. Which chemical element was named after the creator of the periodic table? Answer 1. Mendelevium. Mendelevium, element 101, was named in honor of Dmitry Mendeleev, the Russian chemist who created the first widely recognized periodic table in 1869, predicting elements yet to be discovered. Which scientist developed the laws of planetary motion? Answer 3. Johannes Kepler. Johannes Kepler's laws of planetary motion, published between 1609 and 1619, showed that planets orbit the Sun in ellipses and move faster when closer to it. These observations were key to Newton later developing the law of universal gravitation. What is the term for sound frequencies above the range of human hearing? Answer 2. Ultrasound. Ultrasound is sound above 20,000 Hz, too high for humans to hear, and is widely used in medical imaging and sonar systems. In contrast, infrasound is below 20 Hz and can be sensed by some animals or used to monitor natural events like earthquakes. What is the main function of myelin in the nervous system? Answer 1. To speed up nerve impulse transmission. Myelin acts as an insulating sheath around nerve fibers, allowing electrical impulses to travel much faster. Without it, communication between neurons would be drastically slower and less efficient. Bonus round. What term describes a solution with a pH less than 7? Know the answer? Tell us in the comment section below. Enjoying the quiz? Why not give us a like and subscribe for more content like this? Which principle helps explain how airplanes generate lift? Answer 3. Bernoulli's principle. Bernoulli's principle states that faster-moving air has lower pressure. Airplane wings are shaped so air moves faster over the top, creating lower pressure and generating lift. Newton's laws also play a role, but Bernoulli explains the pressure difference. Which subatomic particle determines the chemical behavior of an atom? Answer 4. Electron. Electrons, especially those in the outer shell, drive chemical reactions by forming bonds. While protons define the element's identity, it's electrons that shape how atoms interact and react with others. What isotope is commonly used in radiocarbon dating? Answer 2. Carbon-14. Radiocarbon dating uses carbon-14, a radioactive isotope that decays over time. It's especially useful for dating once-living materials up to about 50,000 years old, like wood, bones, and ancient textiles. What's the primary function of ATP in cellular processes? Answer 2. Stores energy for cellular activities. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is the cell's main energy currency. It stores and transfers energy needed for functions like muscle contraction, nerve impulses, and biosynthesis of molecules. What is the most common isotope of hydrogen? Answer 1. Protium. Protium, with just one proton and no neutrons, is the most abundant hydrogen isotope, making up over 99.98% of natural hydrogen. Deuterium and tritium are far less common and heavier. What is the mathematical constant E approximately equal to? Answer 4. 2.72. The constant E, about 2.718, is the base of natural logarithms and appears in exponential growth, compound interest, radioactive decay, and population models. Basically, anywhere continuous growth or change is involved. What is the name of the boundary between Earth's crust and mantle? Answer 3. MOHO. The Mohorovičić discontinuity, or MOHO, is the boundary between Earth's crust and mantle. It was discovered in 1909 by seismologist Andrija Mohorovičić when he observed seismic waves suddenly increasing in speed at this depth. In what unit is electric capacitance measured? Answer 2 farads. Capacitance is measured in farads F, named after Michael Faraday. 1 farad stores 1 coulomb of charge per volt. Since 1 farad is quite large, typical capacitors are rated in microfarads micro-F, nanofarads NF, or picofarads PF. Which of the following is not a type of neuron? Answer 4. Glial neuron. Sensory, motor, and interneurons transmit electrical signals. Glial cells, often confused as glial neurons, aren't neurons. They support, protect, and nourish neurons, but don't conduct impulses themselves. Which particle mediates the strong nuclear force? Answer 1. Gluon. The gluon is the exchange particle that mediates the strong nuclear force, holding quarks together inside protons and neutrons. Unlike photons, gluons carry color charge, making the strong force incredibly powerful but acting only at subatomic distances. Thank you for playing. How did you do on the quiz? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed the quiz? Give us a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.